Good evening, guys. So, we are back with some amazing trading. In the morning, the market was good. We booked some profits, but due to some technical issues, I could not come online. But right now, we will definitely try to make some money. We are back, and let's see how it goes today for us. So volume is increasing, buyer volume, seller volume, both are on the positive side. So we will just see how can we plan our trade today. So market has come down from our levels. It has come down a lot. See, all our levels are marked above the present market levels. So we are at good buy zone. Like for long term, people who are trying to get into crypto for long term, this is the perfect time to enter because market is at a very good level. Market is at discount. So I would recommend if you have some money, invest it in crypto at this moment. But this is crazy, man. This is crazy. Absolutely crazy. You see how EMA support works. This is absolutely crazy. We are at minus $6. Damn. Okay. Selling is there. Selling is there. Selling is there. Selling is coming. Selling is coming. Exactly. Selling is coming. With huge buying volume. Someone has taken a very big, like, I think someone has listened that this is the perfect time to buy and they have taken position. Because this is the correct time to buy, like for long term, this is the perfect place to buy. That's why there is huge volume. But if there is some selling coming, and next 2 3 candles will make good money. Stop loss was very small, $6. We're at $6, $8, $11. And now it's time for some action. $19, $21, $28. Nice. That's how you make money. That's how you make money. $31. $31 we have printed, bro. We have printed $31. मौत को छू के टक के वापस आ गए हम. $33. Nice. Next candle is very important. $33. Heavy selling. Heavy selling. The stop loss is at 15. We are making $33 profit. We have already made 1:2 risk to reward ratio. $34. $35. 36. We have reached 36. 37. 38. 39. The market is flying. The market is flying. 41, 43, 45. Damn. We have made $45. We have made $45. 47. 47. Come on. It should give out again. 48, 49, 50. 51. 55. 55. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. $55 done live in front of you guys. So that's how you print money. You see, it's just a matter of time. You have to take the proper entry. You have to manage your risk. And as per that, $15 stop loss against $55 profit is a great trade. Absolutely done for the day. Amazing move. Amazing. And the market is going down further. Market is going down even further.